Good evening, dear participant. I am audible, and if you have any question, you can put your queries in the chat box. And I hope that today everything is fine. Yeah. Good evening, Dr. Ajay, Ibrahim, Kishore Kumar, Jaspreet ma'am. Many of you are very regular participant, and some of you are new. And I hope that today there is no such a type of problem. Yesterday, due to some technical issue, we were not able to start our live stream. And I hope there is no issue today. So we should start today's lecture. First of all, I would like to welcome to everyone in our one-day webinar on mastering LaTeX for scientific documentation with the ChatGPT. And we're thrilled to have you join us for this in-depth exploration of LaTeX, a powerful tool for researcher and academics. Today, we will unlock the potential of LaTeX with the ChatGPT to enhance your scientific writing. So let's start together. So if you are a beginner or you are already using the LaTeX for scientific documentation, this webinar will help you in many ways to explore everything. There are many things, and usually we face many problems during the scientific documentation. So all type of solutions we can easily find, and this will save your time. And for the beginners who want to use LaTeX, but they are not familiar about the LaTeX and they are facing many problems. So within this 1 hour webinar, you will be able to understand everything what is required in the to prepare the document in the LaTeX. Okay. So just you need to understand what is required and the prompt which I will provide you to prepare your scientific documentation. And once you have the understanding, you can prepare your any kind of scientific documentation, and you can write your research paper, books, thesis, whatever you need. So many participants has been joined. If you have any question during the session, you can put your questions in the chat box. I will try to give your answer, and I will handle your query as much as possible. Okay. I understand that this is only the one-way conversation, but still I will try to cover your all the queries. Yes, thank you. Thank you to all to join me. So here what you will see, before starting the session, you need two softwares which you need to install in your system. And I also let you know why LaTeX is required, because when you prepare any document in MS Office, in that case, when you transfer your file through email or by using the pen drive in other system, in that case, the alignment of the entire document changed. But in the case of LaTeX, this will not happen. Once you prepare your document by using LaTeX, this will remain in every operating system. Even the most important thing is that you can open this document if you prepare in using the window based software. You can open in Mac, you can open in the other operating systems also. Okay. So this is the beauty. And one more thing, the size of the file is very small, and virus never attack on these files. So this file will always remain safe. Okay. So here you can see this is my systems Windows window, and from the Google you will search two softwares. Okay, one is MikTeX, and you can download when you will search in the Google MikTeX download, or on the top you can find MikTeX. This is the official website, and from this place you can download this MikTeX software according to your operating system. So this is available in Windows based, Mac, Linux, Docker, okay, and any kind of version your window is there, you can download, and you need not to worry about the version of the MikTeX or TeXmaker. Okay, so every MikTeX will work in every system. So for window you can easily download from this place, and the size is about 138.07 MB. And if you are using Mac, then download from this place. For the Linux you can easily download according to your operating system from this place. Okay, so you can easily download and install in your system. Second, we need one editor. So there are several editors are available, but mostly I am using TeXmaker. This is also free available. You can download the Text Studio, WinEdit is there, Text Center is there, but I will prefer TeXmaker. So this is TeXmaker, and from this place you can easily download. This is the official website to download the TeXmaker. TeXmaker is just the editor. Okay. So if your system is Windows based, then you can easily download from this place. Okay. And for Mac, this link is available. And if you are using Linux, then corresponding these are available here. Okay. So according to your operating system, you can easily download, and the size of TeXmaker is very small. Okay, so just you need to click here and save the file in the download. Save this file in the download in your system, and then you can install. So I will not go more detail about how you can download and how to install in your system. Okay. Since just my focus is on how you can integrate ChatGPT or AI tool to learn this LaTeX for scientific documentations. Okay, so installation is very quite simple, and there are various type of videos are available, and even we have prepared one certificate course on especially LaTeX, which is free available. At the end I will let you know how you can get more information about this. But if you are beginner or advanced learner, then this lecture will help you in many ways. Okay, so after installation in your system, the interface will appear like in this way. First, you need to install MikTeX in your system, and then after you need to install TeXmaker. When you will open TeXmaker in your system, this will appear like in this way, and you can easily get the TeXmaker from this place. Okay, this is the editor, and this editor is required. Okay, so if you need some brief information from this place, you can open new file, open old file, recent files. Okay, and save as, etc. All the options are available here. To edit, you can press from this place, and these are some tools which are required in your LaTeX. Okay, so to know about all these are not required, just you need to handle the TeXmaker. Okay, and during the lecture you will understand. So here you can see some commands are available here. Okay, and from this if you are using some mathematical equations, mathematical symbols are there, and you want to maintain them, then you can take help from this place. And this is the wizard. From this place you can easily start, just like if you want to start any file, okay, quick start, then you can go for the article. There are several options are there. You can choose article, you can choose report, letter, book, beamer, okay. And from this place, after choosing this one, you can select. After that, you can choose other options like landscape, draft, final, one side, two side, your document. And from this place, you can choose the font size, okay. And I will give you one example. You can enter your name, address, place, and here you can enter any title, okay. So I am giving the title LaTeX with AI. So this is the title. And then if you need some packages, if you are working with the mathematical equations and you want to insert some images or figures, then you will click all these, okay. So according to your requirement, you can select them and then okay. So you can see this is the some few statements you can see, and these will be available. So this is the document class. In the document class, you can find the font size, paper, and the document class, whether it is a book, a presentation, or article, report, etc. And here these packages are required, okay, for your document. So here we have the mathematical documentation. For that, these packages will automatically be there. And this is the geometry package. This will maintain the dimensions of your document, left margin, right margin, top margin, bottom margin. You can maintain everything at this place. And you can find here, this is the author name. Here is the title, and these statements are known as the environment of your document. All the packages, whenever you need, you will put at this place, which I highlight at this place. And the other things, which is your document, okay, these will be between these two lines, okay. So first you need to save this file in your one single folder. You create one folder in your directory anywhere in your system, then you will start to work on it, okay. Just see, I want to save this file. So what I will do, first I will create one folder. First I will like to create one folder, and I want to create folder. At this place you can see here is webinars, okay. So I will create here first one folder. This is first lecture, okay. And then open it and save this file, LaTeX document, okay. You can give any name and save it. After save this, you can run the file. You can build from this place. You can build from this place, and you can see on the right hand side, and also you will use here /make title, make title, okay. So the title of the document will appear here. Yes, you can see on the right hand side. And one more thing, you should have a PDF reader in your document, in your system, okay. One PDF reader must be in your system. So from this place we will start our lecture, and we will understand everything by using ChatGPT. So along with you can see also, this is the prompt which I prepare, okay. And here are only 9 questions are there. With the help of these 9 questions, you will be master by using LaTeX with ChatGPT. So every kind of solution you can easily find. If you need this script file, I will share with you, and you can easily access this file. And there are some more support I will provide you, and I suggest you that once you will attend this entire lecture, you will never face any problem or any challenge in your future, and you need not require any kind of help. Only just you need to understand how you can use ChatGPT and with LaTeX to prepare your document. If there are some challenges, there will be many problems. Okay, but with the help of ChatGPT, you can sort out every problem which you are facing by using this LaTeX. So everything we will cover by using this one. So this is the first statement, why LaTeX is important for scientific document. And what you will do, I am opening here ChatGPT. ChatGPT is open here. Okay, so I will put here first my question. So this will return many things about the LaTeX. So LaTeX is a powerful typesetting system widely used for scientific document due to several key advantages: high quality typesetting, consistency, automation, scalability. If you have very large document, then you can easily maintain everything by using this LaTeX and without any kind of error. And once you are using this LaTeX in your system, you will forget about the MS Office because this will support in many ways, and also you can collaborate. You have online editor, version control integrations are there, stability, plain text. Okay, and you can customize everything. Suppose you are preparing one research article in MS Office, and you submit one journal in, suppose you are submitting the journal article in Azure journal, and from that place your article is rejected and you want to submit in other journal, and that is from the Springer. So both the publisher have their different template, different formats. Okay, so you need a lot of time to convert this article for the other format, but with the help of LaTeX you can convert in the other format within few minutes. Okay, so in this way this will save you a lot of time. And if you are writing a book, and you know book has 500 pages, 200 pages, and suppose you need to interchange two chapters, second and ninth chapter you want to interchange. Okay, so if you are preparing in the MS Office, that will take a lot of time because equation numbers are there, references are there, figures are there, images are there, tables are there. Okay, so you need to change many things and a lot of time is required. But if you are using LaTeX, this will take less than 1 minute to change entire things, and all the page numbers and content will change automatically within few seconds. So this is the beauty of this LaTeX, and that's why this is the scientific documentation and will help you in many ways. So I will not cover all these. When you will enter this first question, you will get all the answers, and you should go through all this, and will help you for the more understanding about why you need this LaTeX for your scientific documentations. So this is the first question. And second, we have, what are the LaTeX commands? This is very important. If you are very beginner, then you need to understand what are the LaTeX command and how these LaTeX command will help you. See, you just need to copy and paste here. Okay, so this will return all the entire information, the commands which are used in the LaTeX documentation, and with the examples how you can use these command. Examples will be also there. So this will return all the information about the with the examples. Okay, so this is returning all the information, how you can insert the reference, how you can insert the table, how you can cite them, how you can customize the command. Okay, and what are the common used packages for the scientific documentation, how you can use hyperreference, graphics, etc. So all the basic commands which you need are available here. Okay, so I will start from the very top. Yes, so LaTeX commands are the instructions that control the formatting and structure of the document. These commands are often start with backslash. You will observe all the command which will be used in your document will be used by backslash. Okay, and sometimes the argument enclosed by the curly braces or for the square bracket, this one. So here are some examples. So for the document class, you have this statement, and what is the purpose of the use? Defines the overall layout and formatting of the document. Common class include like article, report, book, letter, etc. So just you will put here the name of the class, and here are some options. At this place you can put some options like font size, font, okay, left equation, right equation numbers, etc. You can put here. There are several options. If you want to know about more options, you can ask from the chat, and this will return all type of the options which are available for the LaTeX. Okay, and here is the example how you can use. It is giving the example how you can use. So here you can see 12pt is the class. Okay, class is article, and here are the option. And preamble, what is the preamble? Preamble is before begin document. Okay, you can come to the here, yes, from this place. This part is known as the preamble of the document. Once you will instruct to prepare your document, you need not worry about anything. Okay, this will manage everything automatically. Okay, you need not required to give the equation number. Okay, you need not required to manage them. You need not required, just you can use also references and cross references. Okay, I will give you the example how you can use them. Okay, just you need to understand first what are the commands which are required in our document, and which part. Okay, so here is the example. All the packages for the advanced formatting we need to use above the document in the preamble. Okay, then after we have document content commands. Okay, so our entire document lies between these two statements, begin document and end document. Don't forget this one. So between these two statements your entire document will be. Then we have the heading and subheading, but in the LaTeX we are using section and subsection. So here you can see these are the command. Section, this is the main heading, then we have the subheading, and under the subheading we have again subheading of the subheading. So these are the command which we are using for the heading, subheading, and in the LaTeX we have the command section, subsection, and subsection. Okay, and for the paragraph you can use this statement. And text formatting, if you need some time text format for bold, italic, underline, you can use this statement. And if you have some mathematical expression, okay, so in line, these are the math command. If you want to use in line, then you will use this one. And you can use, this is the example, E is equal to MC square. So cap sign is used for the exponent. Okay, and a few examples are there. Also you can use equation sometimes if you need the equation numbers, equation with the number, then you will use begin equation, end equation, and enumerate. So for the itemize, this is the code. So here all the details are there, how you can insert the table. Example is here. Okay, So all the examples are available here, how you can maintain your entire document. Okay, so what I do now, and for the references, you can use either this one, and this is the example how you can use, and here is the example also how you can cite. Okay, and here are some custom examples. Okay, so this is all about the packages, some basic information you need, only then you can use them. Okay, so now what we do, we are doing now to write an article. So here, this is the prompt. See this prompt, what I am doing here, help me to write a research article on biomathematical insight into epidemic outbreak, SIR model, application including abstract, mathematical model equation, length 5,000 words, 5 references. So what this will do, this will help me to prepare a document, and according to your choice, you can manipulate later on. Okay, you want to convert in other format, you want to prepare the presentation, and this will return the presentation less than 1 minute. This will convert the entire document in the presentation. Okay, so I will provide all type of the example. So first I want to write an article, and later on, according to my choice, my requirement, I can modify everything. Okay, so I will copy from this place, and what I will do, I will paste in the ChatGPT and then enter. So this will write a template according to my prompt. Title will be there and abstract will be there, and the required packages automatically will be there in the file. Okay, so this will return the entire document, and after that, if we need to change we need to modify, we can change according to our choice. So this is building the file, and according to my input, this will return the template in LaTeX, and some basic information will be there, section will be there, subsection will be there, and if we need to require to insert some images, figures, and we need to insert tables, we can do everything. So this is this file is about to complete. So now I recommend 5 references, and now the document is end now. Okay, here some expanded content guidelines are also there. Okay, you should go through all this. This will help you for the more understanding about the document. Yes. Yeah. So what I do, I will copy from this place, copy the code, and come to the LaTeX. So what I will do, I will select all the command and press here, Control V. Then I will build the file. Okay, I will build the file, and see. Here are some showing some errors. Okay. References, line number 65. So here are the some errors, and for the end there should be backslash. Okay, here you can see misplaced alignment tab character end. For the end we have to use backslash also. Okay, here is backslash is also required. Here is backslash required. Okay, and again build the file. Yes, on the right hand side you can see this is a very beautiful article. You can see here title is there, your name, we can put our name at this place. Okay, then we have the abstract, then introduction, mathematical model, and these are the examples for the equation. Okay, So everything, section, subsection are there. Okay, how you can make the subsections, everything is there, and there are 5 references. Okay, so these are not looking good, but we can modify this. So what you will do, you can regenerate the file. You can regenerate this file from this place. So when you will regenerate the file, this will be refined. This will refine the entire document. So this seems to be in the LaTeX format. This is the not in LaTeX format. Don't worry. I will give you one more suggestion. This is the conclusion, and then we have references. So what you will do if your entire document is appear in this way? Okay, see, you will write here, translate in LaTeX format. Translate in LaTeX format and enter. Just you need to enter this statement, and this will convert the entire document in the LaTeX. Yes. So the entire document will be converted in the LaTeX format. It is converting in the LaTeX format. Just after completing this code, you need to copy and paste in the TeXmaker. So if you have any question, you can put your question in the chat box. I am checking your chat. Yes. So this is converting the entire document in the LaTeX, and after completing, yes, this is a more beautiful document is here. Yeah. It is about to complete. 5 references are there, and this will manage everything. Yes. So these statement, after completing the code in LaTeX, you must go through about this. So the provided LaTeX code is the structured skeleton for your research article. Expand each section with detailed content and analysis to meet the word required. Okay, and see the second one. The bibliography file is references.bib. We have to prepare a separate file, that is .bib. Contain the references in bibtex format. Ensure you have to bibtex installed and configured correctly. Okay, so we have 2 files are there. We have 2 files. So this is the main file. This is the main file. I copied from this place and paste here. Control A and paste here. So the entire document has been changed, and save it. Save it. So first see here, these are the commands. Then we have this is used for the bibliography. Okay, and this is the geometry, which is the margin, 1 inch from each side. Title is there. Here you can put your name. I am going to put my name here. Okay, Meher Chand. So you know my name, I hope. And after that, we have the begin document. You can see this will print the title of the paper. Okay, and here begin abstract, and abstract. Here we have the entire abstract. Okay, then you can see the section. This is the section. Then we have the section and subsection. Okay, and these are the equations. These are the equations. So first I need to run the file. Okay, it's saying LaTeX document.pdf. Okay, this file is open. So first I need to close. So process is started. Yeah. So here you can see the entire document is there. Okay. The same thing is there. And also see this part. If one more thing, if you want to edit this part, right click on it and then click to jump the. So your cursor will be automatically moved to the lines. You can see your cursor is at this place. And yes, these are the equations. Okay, so this is the first equation, this is the second equation, this is the third equation, and according to your choice you can modify. Okay, one more thing I will let you know. If you want to write in the line math mode, like here, suppose if you have any mathematical symbol, okay, just like I have alpha / alpha plus beta is equal to / gamma. So this is one type of the equation. And when I will build this one, and you can see this equation is there on the right hand side, alpha plus beta is equal to gamma. Okay, you can cut from this place and paste here and paste here and again build the file. This is very important to let you know for the beginners. So this equation appears in the line. This equation is appeared in the line. Alpha plus beta is equal to gamma. But if I am using the $sign 2 times, and when I rebuild the file, see the change on the right hand side. So when you will use double $sign for the equation, this will appear like a mathematical equation from the separate, will not appear in the line. Okay, in the line will appear only if you are using single $sign. Okay, only then this will appear in the line. So whenever you need any mathematical equation or the expression in the line, then always use single $sign. Okay, and if you want to convert this as line, so you can put here / begin equation. You can use equation or equine array. There are 2 options are there. Either you will use equation or you can use equine array. So when I will build the file, see, this will appear with the number. Yes, this is the first equation. And earlier this was the first equation, this is the second and third. And you will observe that all the numbers automatically changed in the entire document. Everywhere, this will change the numbers automatically in the entire document. You need not worry about to maintain the numbers. You need not to worry about the maintain the number of the section, subsection. All the things will manage automatically. See here, if I remove this introduction section, see here, if I comment these entire, okay, how can I comment? Control and T. When you will use Control and T, then we have the comment, and this when you will rebuild the file, yes, so now the sections change and their corresponding numbers automatically managed. Okay, and when you will do uncomment, for the uncomment you will use Control and U. Okay, and again rebuild, so the entire document will be controlled automatically. Yes, so this is the beauty of the LaTeX. So now we have some more statement. I think all these are very clear. Please give us the best way to check the similarities. Thank you all. Thank you. How can avoid plagiarism? Dear participant, plagiarism is another thing, but here my main purpose is how to write your scientific document in LaTeX. Okay, so just you need to understand the LaTeX command, LaTeX formatting, how you can manage your section, subsection, everything. I am not writing the article. Okay, when you will write your article by using ChatGPT, then there will be plagiarism. Okay, plagiarism is the other part, and you have to remove from yourself, and you have your own writings. Okay, the main purpose about this webinar is only how you can write, how you can learn LaTeX for the scientific documentation. This will help you to prepare your document, your research article, your book, your thesis, your synopsis. Okay, everything you can write, and even presentation. When you have the research article prepared in the LaTeX, within less than 1 minute, you can prepare your presentation by using this LaTeX. And I will show you the example at the end. Please, I request you to all the participants keep in touch with me. Okay. Yes. So now we are doing the next. Here we have the second question. How to fix the margin? Okay. I copy this statement and paste here and enter. So here is the example to set up the geometry. We need to require the entire, okay, just we need this part, set up the geometry. Okay, I copy this part. So other part which are available here, you need to check the geometry also. Okay, so either you can use, one is the package and the other is this one. Okay, so these two are required. I copy this part and paste in the environment. I have to use at this place. I have to replace this one. Geometry is always already there. So what I will do, left margin is 1 inch. I will do it 1.25. Okay. Right margin is 1. Top margin is also 1.5. And bottom margin is 0.5. And when I will rebuild the file, see. So now check it. So you can see the top margin and compare the left margin and right margin. So left and right, just I have to check here. Left margin is 1.25 and right margin is 1 inch. I make it 0.5. So this will help you to understand change in the document. The process has been started. Okay. Yes. And check now. You can easily compare the left margin and right margin. Yes. We have on the left hand side 1.25 and on the right hand side 0.5. For the top we have 1.5 and at the bottom you can see the small margin is there. So this statement you can use, but one more thing, the package geometry must be there. If this package is not available in your preamble, then this statement will not work. Okay, so the corresponding package is also required. Okay, so in this way you can manage the margin, and if you want to reduce the top margin, you can make it 1 inch. So according to your choice, you can maintain the left margin, right margin, top margin, bottom margin. Okay, according to your choice. And you can see this is the on the top we have 1, and on the left we have 1.25, right we have 0.5, and at the bottom we have again 1 inch, I think. So in this way you can easily maintain the margin. Next we have how to fix equation numbers within section. Copy this statement and come here in the chat box, ChatGPT, and this will suggest us something. This is returning the entire document. Okay, we need not require the entire, just we need to check the statement. See, here is the number equation within section. We will copy from this place. Okay, copy and paste in the preamble. Okay, and when I will rebuild the file, see what happened. When I will rebuild the file, see the equation numbers. Now previously these are equation number 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Now these are appeared 2.1. Section wise numbering is there. This is the section number 2. Okay, and the equation corresponding to the section 2.1, 2.2, 2.3, 2.4. Okay, and you can here see here this is the equation number 2.5. And if I copy this equation, okay, cut from this place and paste in the section number 4. Okay, and rebuild the file. See what changed. See what happened on the right hand side. Yeah, you can see. Come to the top. Yes, previously at this place we have one equation, that is 2.1, which we shift in the section number 4, and now these are the renumbering 2.1, 2.2, 2.3. all these equations are appeared in the section number 2. That's why these are 2.1, 2.2, 2.3, 2.4, but this equation appeared in the section number 4. That's why this is 4.1. Okay, if you will copy, paste, you have several equations. Okay, so when you will rebuild the file and see on the right hand side, so when you have several equations in the section number 4, the equation number will be automatically inserted. We need not worry about this. Okay, so in this way you can easily insert the equations. You can LaTeX itself will maintain the other thing automatically, but the instructions, the statement which you are inserting in the document in LaTeX should be correctly, and all these things are very quite simple. And now come to the next. Help me to write if you want to insert matrix in your document, okay, then what will be the required code? So this is the statement, and we need matrix of 4 by 5 order, and later on you can change the values. So this will provide us help. You can go to the chat, and we are choosing here new chat. Okay, paste here. Help me to write 4 by 5 order matrix in LaTeX. So this is the new chat. That's why I have to mention. So this will return us an example of the LaTeX. Yes, this is the matrix, and in this way you can insert any matrix in your document. And I want to insert this matrix at this place, and when I will execute the file, okay, so you can see here we have the matrix. Okay, and if you want to insert the left bracket and right bracket, you can do here, refresh it, B matrix. Okay, so this will help us with the bracket, copy and paste, and again rebuild the file. You can see that in this matrix we have the left bracket and right bracket. Okay, so just you need to understand the syntax, and this is the first element, begin B matrix. B is used for the bracket, okay, and end B matrix, and this is the first row element, and we will break the row by using double slash. Okay, and this is the second row element, this is the third row element, this is the fourth row element. Okay, and if you have some values, suppose I have is 2, then at this place I have is 3, at this place I have is 4 element, this is I have 2 element, this is 0 element. You can replace according to your requirement. Okay, you will see that on the top first row element has been changed. Sorry. Okay. Yes, you can see the first row element are 2, 3, 4, 2, 0. And if this is, you can have A is equal to. Now this is, we have matrix A is equal to this one, you can see. But if you want to insert the equation number also, if you want to insert the equation number also, then what you will do, you will copy this part which I highlighted at this place. You will copy only and paste in the begin equation and end equation. Okay, and you can see. Now we have the matrix with equation number. Okay, here you can see the matrix with the equation number. So in this way you can use this also. And then after we have, help me to insert the table in LaTeX. Many times we have many results in the table form and we need to required to insert the table, but just we need the syntax. What will be the syntax to insert the table in LaTeX? Okay, so just you will ask from the ChatGPT. You need not require to remember anything. Don't worry. It will provide all the solutions which you have the problem. Just put your query to the ChatGPT and it will return the solution, and just you need to use it. Okay, so I copy from this place and ask from the ChatGPT. help me to insert table in LaTeX, and when I will insert, this will return some examples how you can return. Okay, so yes, you must check it. I earlier say that these statements are also very important. You must go through these detail. What is saying? Document class article we have. This package is also available in our document. You must check that. Yeah, here you can see M's math. Okay, along with the use package, this one also array, and array package not available. So what we have to do? We have to use this package also. Okay, and then we have the detail how you can insert the table, use begin tabular, and this the symbol begins with the table, 5-centered column and separated by vertical line. So all the columns are separated with vertical lines. Okay, so what you will do? You will copy this tabular from this place, and I want to paste in, suppose I put the tabular at this place, okay, and also we need the package, this one, otherwise our file will not work. This package is also important. Put at this place and build the file. To build the file, you need to press at this place. It is saying some error is there. We have some errors, missing and, okay, we have some errors. So these are mathematical expressions. So that's why we have to use at this place this $sign. Okay, or otherwise you can regenerate the file. You must regenerate the file. Yes, this is more simple example and also will help you. Yes, so we are taking this example. We copied and paste here. So there are several ways to write. And build the file. Yes, we have, this is the tabular, and also we have table 1, this is the simple table, okay, and column 1, column 2, column 3, day 1, day 2, day 3, these are the data and you can manipulate them. Okay, so this is the H line is used for the horizontal lines, okay, and the lines which are appeared at this place, vertical lines, are used for the to separate the columns, and H line is used for the horizontal lines. Okay, so this is the first element, this is the second element, this is the third element, and you can manipulate. Suppose this is Ram and this is Sham, this is Kam. You can manipulate this element, okay, and you can see the change on the right hand side. Yes, you can see. So the other element which are appeared values you can manipulate according to your choice, and also you can insert the caption. This is the caption, this is the simple example. You can change this statement, okay, and the number of the table will appear automatically. You need not required to worry about this one, okay, and this is the label. And what is the use of label? This is, I give the name tab 1. This is tab 1. This is the table, and this table will help you to cite anywhere. This is the table, and we can cite this number anywhere. See, I am entering here. See the table / reference 1. Okay, and when I will rebuild the file, again rebuild the file. Yes, so you can see the table number 1 automatically appeared at this place. Okay, there are many tables, and once you have assigned the label, you can use anywhere. Many times we have to insert the table, we have to remove, then corresponding to this, we have to update the numbers also in the entire document. But LaTeX will update everything in our document. Okay. So now come to the how to insert the image. Okay. So by using this statement, you can easily insert the images in your document. Okay. So our session is about to over also. I will take only 5 minutes more. So this will provide us the code. Okay. So group images, subgroup images. Yes. I need to expand this part because otherwise you will have some problem. Yes. So this part is very important to all of you. Okay. The information which is given at this place. So this package, when you have the images and you want to insert the images in your document, one thing, all the images must be in the same folder. Okay. So that they can be easily inserted in your document. So what format you can use for the images? You can use JPG, you can use NPG, you can use PDF and .eps images. So these formats or the you can use to insert the images in your document. Okay. So this package is required. This package is used to include the graphics in the document, and use package caption. This package is used to control the caption of the figure and tables. Okay, we must use this one also. And use the package sub caption. This package provides support for sub caption within the single figure environment. Sometimes we have group of the images. In that case, every sub image have sub caption. So this package is required. And how you can insert? You will use this statement. Begin figure H. Why H is required? This start the environment H option suggests placing the figure here. So when you will use H, the image will be inserted at the same place where you have the cursor. Okay. And if you are using at this place B means the figure will be inserted at the bottom. And also we can use T. When you will use T at this place, it means the figure will be inserted at the top on the page. Okay. So in this way you can use, and these packages are required. So first you will copy all these packages and paste in the preamble. So you can paste anywhere, need not worry. And these are the statements insert the images, copy and paste here. Copy and paste anywhere where you want to insert. Okay. Yes. So see very carefully about these statements. So here we are using H. Okay. H means here. Okay. So this is the first subfigure. This is the first subfigure. Okay. And centering, and you will include graphic. This is required. And by using this statement, you can maintain the width, and this is the code. This is the image1.jpg. The file name you will put at this place. Only then the image will be inserted as subfigure. Okay. So this code will provide us how you can insert multiple figures, but all these are the figures in the group. But I'm sorry, I don't have the images for this place, and I have less time. Okay, so that's why I will not explain more about this. But these statements are there. Only one more thing, you need to update the names of the images at this place. If you have 2 images or 3 images, you can make here single image. Don't ask in the group, single image. So this is the code. This is the code for the single image. Okay, this will help you to understand how you can insert the single image, then you can manipulate. Yes, so figure H will be when you will run the code, the image will be just after this statement, this paragraph. Okay, and within the same section. This is the main code, and here you will insert the name of the file. Okay, and at this place you can manipulate the size of the width, size of the image, and here is the caption, and at this place you will insert the label. Okay, and if you will just 1 minute. Yes, once again rebuild the file, regenerate the file. Okay, it will give some more example. Okay, the same example is there. So this is all about how you can insert the images, section, subsection, references, everything is there. Okay, so here you can see this statement. So width here is 0.5, and here you will put the name of the image, name of the file of the image. Okay, and the other things are same. So now this is all about the LaTeX. Basic information is there. Now if you want to generate a presentation, if you have the document, and then you need to insert, you need to generate the PPT presentation. Okay, so this is very quite simple. What you will do, I am doing, copy all this entire document, and it will convert in the presentation less than 1 minute. Help me to convert in presentation. Give the input and paste here the entire content which you prepared in the LaTeX. Okay, and then run the code. So the PPT is preparing. The entire document will be converted in the presentation. Just you need to copy and paste and run the file. You have the entire document which you prepare in the LaTeX will be in the form of presentation. Okay, and there are several type of the themes which we can manage later on, but first see the presentation and then we will discuss everything. Okay. It will take few minutes. I hope it is ready now. Yes, it is doing till now. Okay, in the progress. We need not worry, just ChatGPT will do itself everything for us. We give the instruction and ChatGPT is more nice, without errorless, without any error, it will convert the entire document in the LaTeX, okay, in the presentation. So yes, now our presentation code is ready. Just you need to copy from this place and come here, take new file, Control N. By pressing Control N, we have the new file. Paste here, save the file, Control S, and I need to save this file in the same directory. Okay, this is the webinar and this is the first lecture. My first presentation, and save it. And what I do, I will just run the code. Just run the code and you can see the presentation is ready, but we make it more beautiful. What we will do, we will change its theme only. We will change only the theme. So I am using aspect ratio is 169 16:9 and theme I am using Madrid. Okay, copy from this place and paste here. Now run the code. Yes, this is the presentation. Control L and you can see my beautiful presentation is there. Okay, everything is there in this presentation, and if you want to make changes you can do later on, but our presentation is ready to present the everything. So this is all about it. Take only within less than 1 minute we can change the document in the presentation. Okay, so dear friends, this is the all about the today's session, and I hope that this session is very helpful for all of you, and all the things we present here will help you. And there are some questions from your side, but due to the lack of less time, Some of the questions are there. I want to check. Please, my question is that, sir, my question is that can I use GP chart to detect plagiarism? For the plagiarism, and there are some research tools which help you for the research writing, and for that we will organize special sessions, okay, and keep in touch with us. Just wait for the coming, very soon there will be session for the writings, and I hope that this will help you. And also some of the participants are asking about the certificate. All the participants who are registered for this webinar, we will provide you the certificate of the participation to all the participants. If you are not registered, you can register, okay. And there are some more questions from the participant. I want to check in the chat box, and please, I will take only 1 minute from your side, and I'm very thankful that all of you attend my lecture entire session, and I hope that this will help you. But Jasprit Kaur is saying great lecture, and Deepa, very clear. Thank you very much. Okay, very impactful. How can I write a chapter in words in LaTeX, such as chapter 2 instead of chapter 2? Yes, everything you can write. And one more thing I will let you know, that is, this is, come here. This is mathtechguru.com. Come to this website. This is our platform where many things we are helping to the researchers, students, and faculty members globally. And when you will come to this mathtechguru.com, see, this is the URL, mathtechguru.com, and at the place we have the course, okay. And when you will go to the course, then scroll down. When you will scroll down, here you can see, yes, you can see LaTeX for scientific documentation. This course is free, available to all the people globally, and anyone can join this certificate course, okay, and very quite simple. Also, mobile app is available for Android mobile, and other people can join by using this mathtechguru.com if you, okay. So here all the contents are available, and will help you in more detail. Also, the thing is that all the contents, skid file, recordings are there, okay, and you can download this content also. This is the lecture, and here you can see some files are there, presentation are there, okay, and all these are downloadable. You can download in your system for your use, okay. And when you will scroll down, you can come here. Yes, the today's webinar, this is also available here, webinar on mastering LaTeX for scientific documentation. The recording of today's webinar will be available here. Also, the some script file and the prompt file will be available here. This will help you for more understanding. And I request to all the participants, you can easily join this course, and many things, all the updates will be available. And in your entire career, this platform will help you in many ways, okay. And also at the end, I will request to all the participants, you must share this lecture with your colleagues, with your student. And these days, the LaTeX is also in the curriculum of the students, okay. So This is completely free to all the participants globally. From anywhere, any participant can join. And whenever you will complete this course, at the end you will get the certificate also. And also we will provide the certificate for the today's webinar. And if you have any query, please put your questions in the chat box, and also you can contact us. WhatsApp number are there at the bottom, you can see. Okay, so these are the WhatsApp number is there, email address is there, and official website and YouTube channel. You are familiar with this one. So thank you very much to join me, and please stay connected with us. And I'm very happy if I can support you, I can help you. And this is time to end the session now. Thank you very much. And wait for the next coming session, which will be for how you can use AI tools to remove the plagiarism, and how you can prepare the research papers. Many things are there. So keep in touch with us. Thank you.